There's Thor's virtual realitying it up. He's in the reality of the virtual world. Uh-oh. Thor, where are you going? Where are you going? Let's make sure it's not on the roof. Let's go find this. Oh. Thor, they're like the microbots. Thor's in his own little virtual world over here. Can you see us, Thor?
Yeah.
You can see me? Is it, Benjamin, are you scared of it?